Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jenilyn. Today's video I will be showing you how to make this cute baby socks. So I will be showing you how to crochet this cute little socks. This is Monaco yarn, acrylic yarn, and I'm using 3.0 millimeter hook and a pair of scissors. So to begin with, we have to make a magic ring. Okay, a magic ring, and then this chain one, and then on the ring we have to make 8 half double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 half double crochet. Pull the yarn tail, and then on the first half double crochet we have to do the slip stitch, and then chain 1, 2. So on each stitch, the very first stitch we have to make 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet. Okay, yarn over, I'll pull through. So the chain that we did, so this counted as 1 double crochet. So on the next stitch we have to make 2 double crochets. So meaning in each stitch that we did, we have to make 2 double crochets on each stitch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Just continue making double crochet for this round. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, kindly click the notification bell below, and kindly leave a comment, and please give me a big thumbs up. So okay, so we are now at the last stitch that we did. Okay, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then slip stitch. Alright, slip stitch. So we are done making a circle, and then again chain 2 for another round of this. So for this round we have to do, on the next stitch we have to do 1 double crochet. Alright, so on the first 2 stitches we have to make 1 double crochet on each stitch. On the third stitch we have to do 2 double crochets. So counted as 1 double crochet is our chain. Okay, the next 3 stitches we have to make 1 double crochet on each stitch. So okay, so repeat the process and I will work with you. Okay, so slip stitch. Okay, for this round chain 2, then on the next stitch we have to do 1 double crochet, next 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the next stitch another 2 double crochets. So we have to do this, we have done this process on our previous round. Okay, 3 double crochet on the first 3 stitches, and then on the next stitch, on the 4th stitch will be, oh, there is a motor passing by. Okay, on the next stitch will be 2 double crochets. Okay, and then for this round, chain 2, and on each stitch we need to do 1 double crochets, 1 double crochet. Okay, until 1 double crochet in each stitch until we reach the chain that we did. Okay, I will be back with you when I'm done making this. So we have to measure it. We have to do as big as this. Okay, so just like this. Alright, so and then slip stitch on the very first double crochet that we did a while ago. Okay, so now we are done making this. I did 5 rounds. To insert for the ankle part, so we have to do this. Okay, slip knot and then pull the yarn to insert, and then we have to secure our string or our yarn to prevent unraveling, para ma-prevent natin ang basta. So we have to tie it, and then chain 2, and then make double crochet in each stitch. So we have to see to it that our yarn for the sole, for the ankle, will be half of our sock. So meaning i-fold natin, yan, dapat ganyan siya. Okay, see to it that it is securely dapat secure yung yarn tail natin. Okay, so there are dogs barking in the neighborhood. I'm so sorry for that. It seems that I have a background of naturally triple. I don't know what to say. Whenever you want it. Okay, so I come up with 16 double crochets for this red because dapat half siya, ganon, half 16. There are 16 stitches of red yarn, so ganyan. For the next round we have to chain 3, and then flip over on the very first stitch. So we have to do another double crochet until the very end of our red double crochet. The dog is really barking. It seems that there is visitor. Okay, so this is the end for this round, and then chain 3 again, and then in the first stitch we have to do 7 on the first 7 stitches. We have to do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 7 So, okay. Ayan. 7. So, on the next 4 stitches, ayan, basta 7 siya. 7 yung gagawin nyo. On the next 4 stitches, we need to do this. We have to make 4 double crochet together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ayan, pull through pala. And then on the next stitch, we have to do another 1 double crochet on each stitches. Ang ingay ng mga aso. Ewan ko kung sinong taong nakikita nila. Alright. Ayan. Nagiging curve na siya para sa ating ankle. So, next is 3 chains. And then, make 6. On the first 6 stitches, we have to do half double crochet. Okay. So, we have to make it sure that center yung yung 4 stitches together natin. You have to make it sure. So basta 6 stitches in the first 6 stitches. Okay, now let's do the 4 double crochets together. On the next 4 stitches, we have to make 1 double crochet in each together. Okay, so same process we have to do on the next stitch. After we did together, we have to make 1 double crochet. Ang ingay talaga ng aso eh. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And then let's fold it. Fold. Ayan. May nakalimutan pa. And then, ayan na. So, ganyan na ang pag-fold natin. And then, let's do the slip stitch. Okay. So, for this part, on the back loop of our folded stitch, we have to do the slip stitch. Back loop only. Back loop. Nakasabot ta? Okay, I do hope that you understood and then you followed what I did. Okay, so I'm so excited to see your finished product. If you have any suggestion, okay, let's flip over. If you have any suggestion of some crochet you can leave it in the comment section below so that I will try to make some of it, make patterns out of it. So we are now back to our another colored yarn. So in this part, we have to find a hole because there is no stitches here. So kailangan natin mag-find ng stitches. Kailangan natin ng hole. So for this one, we have to do double crochet for 1 round. Alright? So dyan siya magtapos. I will be back with you. Ngayon, nag-back na ako. Okay, slip stitch. Then, chain 2. So, paggawa ng ganito, ayan. Di ko alam kung anong pangalan ng stitch na to. Pero, ayan. Nag-chain 2 na tayo. So, since, we have to do insert our hook on our double crochet. Instead of inserting our hook on the stitches, we have to do this for this round. At the back, on the next double crochet, we have to insert our hook from the back part. So ayan, ganyan yung gawin natin. So alternately, we have to do this on the double crochet that we did. We have to insert our hook, okay, alternately. Alright, I do hope that you followed what I am trying to emphasize here. Ayan. See, so as you can see, okay, ayan. So as you can see, it is alternately done, and it is waved already. And then for this, we have to do the slip stitch on the chain that we did. So another chain 2. So okay, on the very first ayan, we have to follow lang what we did on our previous round. Okay, so do this alternately. Ayan, so insert your hook from the front part, and then on the next, insert your hook on the back part. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Kindly click the notification bell below so that you will be updated for our next video. Okay, just do this for 3 more rows. Ayan. But it's up to you if you have if you like to do than this, bigger than this or higher than this. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want. It's for your own preference. Okay, just leave a comment. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you have some suggestions, advices, you can leave a comment on the comment section below. So now we are going to secure our excess yarn or our yarn tail by using our yarn needle, just like this, so that this will not unravel. Okay, this project pala is for my 2-month-old nephew. So he has small feet pa, but I made this for him para magamit niya until mag 1-year-old siya. Okay, so ganyan, we are done making this. So ayan, gagawa pa ako ng pares ng ganito. So as what I've said, please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly click the notification bell so that you will be updated, and then please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.